Hi, Vaibhav.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, Vaibhav. So, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Vaibhav, your studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Ma'am, my name is Vaibhav, and I'm basically from Goa. And I have completed my engineering in KLE, Belagavi, in Belagavi. So after my completion of my BE, so I was working for 1 year as a site engineer. So there, while working, I was facing some problems as we know, as we study, like we have only theoretical knowledge, which we have learned from the like our classes or colleges. We come across only theoretical knowledge. So that time I was facing very much problems on the side. Like I was not able to like calculate all the quantities and whatever the problems what I was offering was not able to solve the problems. I came there. I was searching on the YouTube. I came to know about the CMTI institute, and it was a very good experience for me. Yes,
And
ma'am.
so, how did you get to know about CMTN? Through Google?
Yes, ma'am. So as I told ma'am, I was facing like many problems on site. So I was someday I was searching on YouTube, like what are the courses like online or offline courses available on the like online platform. So there I came to know about the CMTI, ma'am. From there I've joined to the CMTI Institute.
Fine, Vaibhav. So, see, from Goa to Bangalore, see, you have to relocate it, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
any challenges you faced here in relocating?
Like mainly the main challenges were about like shifting from Goa to Bangalore. It's a totally different city and a metro city.
Yeah,
Uh,
one more thing I have to tell that even the climate is also totally different.
yes, yes, ma'am. Climate is totally different, ma'am. Like and food is also different.
Yeah,
Food, yes, that was the challenges which I faced, ma'am. But no problem, ma'am. Like finally, like everything is good.
actually, you have sustained here, Vaibhav. That is a big thing here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, what and all you learned at CMTI Bible? The course which you have taken in the offline and certified course on advanced construction management, right? So, what are the syllabus in that? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. The syllabus and what I have learned is basically, ma'am, the bar bending schedule, the rate analysis, and quality assurance, quality control, quantity calculations. These are all the things I have learned, ma'am, here, which were not taught in our colleges. So, like, which is very helpful to everyone in the future, and everyone should do this course.
Okay. So, like, how was the HR support of CMTI? Whether they were giving you lots of opportunities, they were like guiding you for the interview, like interview guidance, interview preparation, or whether they were doing that?
HR help was very good. They were helping us in like every situation what we faced. They have given us many opportunities in every field. Like whatever we like according to our choice. Like if you wanted to go to QS or any other post as a site engineer, so it was like very much helpful for us.
Okay. So, how was your site training and all, Viber?
Site training was very good, ma'am. Like we came to know about like more things which were unknown to us. We learned practically what are the things, what are the problems we faced on site that we came to know there, ma'am.
Okay, so see, you said that you had been visited the sites and all, right? So whether it is only construction or interiors both.
Both, ma'am, both. I visited both the construction site as well as the interior sites, which was very helpful. It's not necessary that you should learn or gain knowledge in civil only, and it is like in interior also we got very much knowledge, which will be helpful in future, ma'am.
So what about CMTI app, Vaibhav? How did that help you?
It's a very good app, ma'am. Like you can use it very freely, and it's very much helpful. That has got many more introduction and courses, which I like, online courses. Like I got to learn many more things from the online.
Okay, if you miss any classes in offline, you used to see in the online, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
So what about the staffs of CMTI, Vaibhav? It may be the schedule, mainly attendance. So how is that coordination? Can you tell me about that?
Ma'am, schedule was very good, and all the staff they were like coordinating with us, whatever help we needed at whichever time they were there for us. Like whatever like we were facing the problems about any subject, they were there for us to help, and they were free to us, like as like what like everything in everything they were helpful.
So yeah. See, in the CACM program, have you attended the conference, workshops, and all?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
how was that, Vaibhav?
We got very much knowledge, ma'am. That was like many other construction as well as the interior part programs were there, which we attended in the CMTI. It was very much knowledgeable.
So you had a very good industry connect, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So all the experts were coming to the exhibitions, conference, and all. So you could had a connection with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Vaibhav, finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Vaibhav?
Like to say them, please join this course. It's very much helpful, and it's a basic which everyone needs in civil industry to learn, and like they can have their future by learning all the basics in the CMTA.
I hope you are satisfied with your placements.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I'm very
Yeah,
much
you
satisfied.
were telling that I need the placements in construction field
Yes,
itself.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you have got your like wished job, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you so much for your feedback. I want to see next step as a project manager. So
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the best for that,
Definitely.
Vaibhav.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
and once again, congratulations. Thank you,
Thank
Vaibhav.
you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.